welcome to my corner. So if you saw my previous little tutorial, this was still going on. So it has not been 3 minutes. What we're gonna go ahead is work on the eyebrows. Let me go ahead and put these away. I should have done that before, and then I'll show you which little ones I use to do my eyebrows. And this is not the one. I have like 3 sets of so many pencils that I have acquired. Not pencils, these. Let's see here, I'm looking for this one, and this one. Okay, so I want to show you what my 3 to go are, and there are any of these 3. Sorry, I moved the camera. So today, I think I'm going to be using this one right now, right here. And I use the Revolution makeup, and this is how I do my eyebrows. Just preferable preference. Of course, you will want to comb your eyebrows. I'm trying to let them grow out. Due to a health issue, they fell out quite badly. And not to brag, I have pretty great eyebrows, but the formation of the eyebrows coming back. So once I have it a little thicker how I like it, I won't be having to do it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And the shade that I'm going to be using is not in this one. Let me show you. I'm so sorry. I use this one also. I'll do a combination. But I also got this from Boxy Charm. It's the Alamar Palette. And the one I'm going to be using is a little bit darker. Yes, it's that one right. It's this one right there. It's called Cafecito. And it's this one right here. Let me point it. I'm so sorry. Cafecito, right there. So we're gonna go ahead and tap it, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the formation, and I just follow what I have, like so, and then I just go up like that lightly. And I just messed it up, but we can fix that later. And I hope you can see. I just follow the leader here and make it a little thicker up here because I like. There we go. And I just shape it in. This is how I do it, okay? This is what works for me. We all have different ways of doing things, so. And then I just push it up. That's how that one looks. I let it be. I got a little bit of, it's been 3 minutes now. After a while, it starts to bother you. So I get this, and we just begin to go ahead and take the baking away. But this is so worth it because it will look stunning. Okay, there we go. And if I need to, do it more right now, we'll go ahead, but let's go ahead and focus on the eyebrow. I go to the next one basically the same way. I start in the bottom like that, okay? And I don't know if you can see, I'm doing the best I can. It's just like look, I'm seeing it definitely weirdly, and then this camera has helped me a lot, but there we go. And I'm like looking at both, and then I'll go like this. See, I know some people like the eyebrows lighter in the front, but I don't like how it looks on me, so I like it to be all equal. It's just a personal choice, personal preference, and see how it's coming along? Like, I like to do both at the same time so I can make it even out, see what it needs to do to look better. And I'm going to go ahead and focus on this side right here. And this is where I will change. I'm going to go ahead and use this one now. And I'm going to make the edge. Okay, and this is what they look like. See, this one's a little bit higher than this one, so I'm gonna work on this one now. Alrighty, let's go ahead and go on this one. And I will fix the little imperfections and then okay, and then I love the shape of this one. For some reason I struggle less with this one. Okay, and then I'll go on with this one. Excuse the noise, my son's gaming. And I will go in again here and like that. Okay, so that is how I do my eyebrows. There's a little mess ups that I'm going to show you that I will fix right now. I'm going to go get ahead and get myself a little blending brush where I can take care of it. I like to use this one. It looks like this. Sorry about the noise. And I am going to go ahead and clean up. I'm cleaning up with this, and this shade is practically gone, so but I can use this one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and dab it in here, and then I will go in and fix whatever needs to be fixed. And I think this one's a little too thick, so I'm gonna go like this, and from here like that, and I'm going to go like that to fix it. And here we go, doing the whole lid. Kind of sort of prep you for when I do my look. Okay, and I do it up here also. And I put a little bit on the eyebrow itself to lighten it up. You will see why I do this. This is just a technique that works for me. I'm weird, aren't I? Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. And I'm going to go ahead and grab this shade right here, this brown right here. I tap it, and I will just carefully reline. And again. This one came out a little too thick here in the bottom, but I will fix it right now. I need to make this one a little thicker because it's too thin, and I just do it like that. Okay, so it looks, the eyebrows are set, and I'm going to go ahead and now I am going to gently get this brush right here and gently ease it in. Because that one's too big right there, so I just fixed it. And I will gently just grab this again and watch. I will go in right here. Okay, and then I will grab this one again, and I will gently clean up the eyebrow. There's days that it comes out perfect, and then there's days that I struggle, but my struggle's not that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the top over here, and here we go again. We just gently clean it. And they look about the same equally now, which is good. And I just tap it. Now you see this was a little bit too big here. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go underneath. It's gonna need a little bit more right there. As you can see, it's a little Now, if you look at it closely, one looks thicker than the other, so I need to work on the left side, on the one I want to work on. And the one I'm going to work on is, let me check which brush I'm using. This one right here. That's this one right here. There we go. It's a little bit. There you go. So that is even now. I think. To me it is. Okay. So this is how I get my eyebrows done. The next video coming up is the eyeshadow look. I want to thank you all for your time and your patience. You all have a good day. Bye.